Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's being marketed as a professional 4K Ultra HD camera quadcopter. This particular model is a generic brand, presented in a sleek black finish. It's positioned as beginner-friendly, making it accessible for adults looking to get into the drone hobby. One of the headline features is the claim of 4K HD video recording. However, it's important to note that the specifications also list the video capture resolution at 1080p. So, while it might be marketed with 4K in mind, the actual recorded footage appears to be full HD at 1080p. It does capture still images at a respectable 12 megapixels, which is decent for sharing photos. For capturing those interesting perspectives, the drone offers 360-degree rotation, allowing for panoramic views or dynamic shots. This is a nice touch for creative videography or photography. Battery life is often a major concern with drones, and this one boasts a 20-minute flight time. That's quite generous, especially for a beginner-friendly model, giving you a good amount of time in the air to practice flying and capture footage without constantly needing to land and swap batteries. This aligns with the long battery life special feature listed. The remote control distance is stated as 122 meters. While not the longest range out there, 122 meters is certainly sufficient for most casual flying and photography needs, keeping the drone within a comfortable visual range for beginners. Control options are flexible. It supports FPV operation, which means first-person view, allowing you to see what the drone sees in real time, usually through a connected smartphone. It also supports control via an app, which is listed as a special feature. This means you can likely use your smartphone as a controller or access additional features and settings through a dedicated application. Overall, this generic professional 4K Ultra HD camera drone quadcopter, despite the potential discrepancy in video resolution claims, presents itself as a solid option for beginners. It offers a good flight time, decent range, flexible control methods including FPV and app support, and the ability to capture both video and 12MP stills. The 360 rotation adds a creative element, and its beginner-friendly nature makes it approachable for those new to flying drones. The black color gives it a classic, professional look. It seems designed to provide a good entry point into aerial photography and videography for adults.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.